Hello,
Hello.
Nguyen.
Ano po,
Hello, Nguyen. Good afternoon. How are you?
Get ready for starter.
I'm happy.
Wow, that's really nice. Okay, what's the weather today, Nguyen?
Weather ko ma.
What's the
Music.
weather? Is it sunny, rainy, or cloudy?
Mm, sunny.
Very
Is
good. Okay.
last swim.
Oh, did you go for a swim?
Yeah.
Where did you swim? Did you swim in the pool?
Yeah. In
Wow, that's really
and
nice, Nguyen.
bigger.
What's that?
Bigger.
Wow, very good. Okay, I want you to look at your book. Are you ready?
Yeah, I do.
Great. So we are still in Unit 5. This is the last part of Unit 5. Finally, let's learn the words. Look, listen, and repeat.
Shirt.
Skirt.
Very good. Look at the shirt. What color is it, Nguyen?
Mm,
What color is it? It's
the t-shirt
what color?
is white.
That's right. Okay, now listen.
T-shirt.
T-shirt.
Very good. Okay, what is it? It's a
T-shirt.
very good. What color is the t-shirt?
Blue.
Great job. Okay, now listen to this.
Shoes. Shoes.
Shoes.
Nice. Look at the shoes. What color?
Mm, is black.
That's right. They are black. Very good. Okay, have you got a shoes?
I have. I have
Oh,
shoes.
very good. You have a pair of shoes. Great. Okay, now look.
Skirt.
Listen.
Skirt.
Skirt.
One more. Skirt.
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 Skirt. Skirt.
Great job. What color is the skirt?
Mm,
What color is it, Nguyen?
is
What color is it? It is.
white.
Look. Look at the skirt. What color is it?
Is purple.
Very good. Okay. Now listen and repeat.
Jacket. Jacket.
Jacket.
Very good. Do you have a jacket? Do you have
Mm,
a jacket, Nguyen?
yes, I do.
Wow, great. Now I want you to think, when do we wear a jacket? Is it when
Mm,
it's hot, cold, or windy?
oh,
That's correct. Look at the jacket. What color is it?
is orange.
Very
I
good. Give
have,
me a high five.
I have two.
Nice. Wow, you've got two jackets?
Spider-Man
Oh, a Spider-Man jacket. What color is
and
your Spider-Man's jacket?
is colorful.
Wow, very good. Is it color pink?
And jet in car. I
Wow,
see
that's really
car
nice.
too.
Wow, very good. Cars and Spider-Man's jacket. Which one is your favorite? The car or Spider-Man?
Car. I see 1,000 car.
Oh, wow, that's a lot. Great, Nguyen. Okay, now listen to this.
Socks.
Shucks.
One more.
Shucks.
Socks.
Socks.
Very good. Okay, now look at the pair of socks. What color is a pair of socks?
Mm,
It's
mm,
what color, Nguyen?
red and white.
Very good. Okay,
I
what
love
about
red.
you? Wow, you like red. Do you have a red pair of socks? That's nice. What is that? Is that a pen? A pencil?
No, it's a candy.
Chopstick? Oh, a candy. I really thought that it was a pen, a pencil, or a chopsticks. Very good. Okay, how many candies have you got?
4 candy.
Wow, where are your two candies? Can I see? But it's all right. You don't have to get it.
More. 4.
Small one. Very good. Who gave you that candies? Who gave you those candies?
Grandma.
Grandma. Very good, Nguyen.
Takomaki.
Oh, yes, grandmother. Great. Now look and listen.
Watch.
Watch.
Nice. Have you got a watch, Nguyen?
I have here.
Wow. All right.
Here.
Wow. Let me see. What color is it?
Green.
Oh, that's really nice, Nguyen. Okay, look at your watch. What time is it now?
Uh, 7.
Wow, that's great. Okay, but you know, the time right now is 4:10. Oh, 7:13. That's the time on your watch. Great, Nguyen. Okay, now look at this. You listen and repeat.
Trousers.
Shoulder.
Very good. Have you got a pair of trousers?
Boom, 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 boom.
Wow, nice. How many pair of trousers have you got?
100,000.
Oh, that's a lot. What color is
One
your favorite?
million.
Okay. What color is your favorite trousers, Nguyen?
Red.
Very good. Okay, now look at
Handbag.
this. Say
Handbag.
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 Nice. Wow, this handbag looks so great. What color is it? What color is it, Nguyen?
Is
It, look, what color? It,
purple.
yes, say it's purple.
Purple.
It, purple.
Is purple.
Very good, Nguyen. Okay, now listen to this.
Glasses.
Glasses.
Glasses. Great. Okay, now look around your house. Who's wearing a pair of glasses? It's all right, Nguyen. It's all right. It's okay. You don't have to get your glasses.
Yeah.
Wow. You really got it. Let me see.
Is my daddy.
Wow, nice. What color
Is black.
is your dad? Uh-huh. Yes, very good. Sunglasses. You have to be careful with that. Wow. Oh, you look so handsome. Great, Nguyen. Okay, nice. Okay, now, is it dark? What can you see? Is it dark?
I see you.
Yes. Okay, do I have a dark face?
Mm.
Is it clear or not clear?
It's clear.
Very good,
Yes.
Nguyen. You look cool with your sunglasses. Okay, now listen.
Dress.
Glass.
Very good. Look at the dress. What color is the dress?
Pink. Pink.
Very good. Okay. Is your daddy wearing a dress?
No.
No. Who's wearing a
Mommy.
dress in here? Mommy. Nice. Look at mommy. Is she wearing a dress right now?
Yes.
No, it's okay. You don't have to go. Just look. No, she's not. Great. Okay. Now, Nguyen, let's practice. Wow. Let's complete the clothes word
Wow,
in the
chicken.
box. Yes. It's very yummy. You can see a chicken in here. Okay. Now let's find the words and circle them. There is one example. Look, Nguyen, we have here, wait a minute. Look, pink. Okay, what else can we see? Meat.
Pig.
What else? Help me find it, Nguyen.
Pig.
Brother.
Yeah.
What else?
Mm.
Wow. What's that?
Okay. Muscle.
Okay. Let's see. Look, mouse.
Here. Eh,
What that? Let me see what is it. Oh, try again. Let's find more. Look, dress.
Yes.
Dress. What other things can we see here? Gray.
Why?
What else? Help me, Nguyen. Help me. Oh, try again. Try again, Nguyen. Oh, look, it's your turn. Look.
Uh,
What's that? Jacket. What
jacket.
else? Very good. What else? Hmm. This one, they're all done. They're all done. What about goat? Gah, gah. Oh, I cannot find them anymore. What about hall? Hall. Let's find letter H. H. Can you help me find letter H, Nguyen? Hall. It's right here, hall. Wow, very good. What about fruit? Fruit. Let's find letter F. Oh, it's right here. Fruits. Fruits. Done. Okay, two more left. Let's find mother. Right here, mother. Mother. And last one, bookcase. Let's find letter B. Bookcase. Ba, ba. Bookcase. Oh, right here, Nguyen. Bookcase. Yes, finally we've found them. Okay, now what are the words that
I see
belongs to
seven.
colors? Let's look. This is an example. We have gray. What about things in the house, Nguyen? What word can we find that are things in the house? What are the things in the house here? We have hall
Bo,
and
bo, bo.
bookcase. Okay, what about family, Nguyen? You can do it. Who is he? He is a who is he? He's a bruh bruh. Brother.
Boy. Brother.
Yeah, a boy or a brother. Very good, but that is a brother. What about this one, Nguyen? Who is she?
Mommy.
Very good. She is mother. Okay, now, what about some food here? What's this? They are?
Oh. Oh.
This is very yummy. What are they? They
Chicken.
are?
Chicken.
Look,
Chicken.
what? Okay, you say meat.
Meat.
Very good. What other food can you see here?
That is
What's this?
party pie.
We have
Party
fruit. Okay, what about animals? Look, what are the animals that you can see here? Meh, meh. What's that? Meh. It's
goat. The goat.
the goat. Very good. Okay, what about this one? What is it?
Dog.
It's a ma ma
Mm,
mouse. Okay, last
mouse.
one, Nguyen. What are some clothes that you can see here? You can do it, Nguyen. What are some clothes that you can see here? Look, what's this?
Mm,
What's this? We wear this when it's very
jacket.
cold.
Jacket.
Wow, very good. That's a jacket. What about this? Mommy wears this one.
Oh.
It's a
Oh.
dress. Very good, Nguyen. Give me a high 10, Nguyen. Wow, we did it. Very good. You've got one big candy for that.
Yum, yum, yum,
Nice.
yum.
Yummy. Okay, now let's look at this one, Nguyen. You choose the word, you read, and write it in the box. There is one example. Okay, let's read. Hello, I'm Alex.
Hello, Alex.
Today,
Today, I am
wearing
wearing a hat and blue.
what is blue here? A blue. You can do it. What is blue here, Nguyen? Look carefully, Nguyen. Look, look. Which is blue here? Is it a window or jeans? Okay, this is another example. Blue jeans. Okay, I'm holding a nice brown. What's your answer? What's this? Look, what's this? Hello, Nguyen.
Hello.
Okay, look. What's this?
Ở bạc.
Very good. Okay, now let's read. I'm in front of my
Bạc.
wow house. Okay, it's got core, look at the house. What does it have that has four things in it? What is it? We have
Nhà.
four,
Của.
four windows. Okay,
Của.
now look, and a green, and a green door. All right.
Door.
So for this, Nguyen, you've got one, two, and three. That's three out of five. That's okay. Give me a high five. Very good. You've got a glass of lemonade. Do you like this?
Yes. Nhắm nhầm 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 nhầm
Great
nhầm.
job. Mm, mm, mm. Very good. Okay. Now this time, Nguyen, you listen and write a name or a number. There are two examples.
Listening 21. Starters practice test. Listening part 2. Look at the picture. Listen and write a name or a number. There are two examples.
Hello, what's your name?
It's Pat.
And how do you spell Pat?
P-A-T.
Right. That's a very nice name.
Thanks.
So, how old are you, Pat?
I'm 12.
12.
Yes, that's right.
Can you see the answers? Now you listen and write a name or a number. 1,
And where do you live?
I live in Hill Street.
OK. And what's the number of your house?
It's 17.
So that's 17 Hill Street.
Yes.
Okay, what's the number of Pat's house? It was 17. That's all right, Nguyen. You've got a glass of lemonade and one big candy. Bye bye, Nguyen. I hope you learned something. Bye.